Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone no service problem. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that you haven't any service or you find no service in your control centers, let's see how can you fix that issue. So the very first thing is that you have to open your settings here and go for general, go for software update, and you have to try to update your software. If you find a pending update here, try to update your software. After that, go back from here, go for date and time section, and here you have to disable this toggle, then set your date time zone from here, then enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. After doing that, go back, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find any connected VPN here, try to disconnect with that, then go back here and you have to try to make a forceful restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press on this volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, it might be that your issue will be fixed. You just have to unlock your phone and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you have to check that your iPhone SIM is inserted correctly. So once you have checked, you have to retry to make a forced restart. So if there will be an issue with your insertion, so it will be fixed in this app. And if you are still facing the same issue, so you have to try to reset all of your network settings. Go for settings app, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone. Select reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset network settings and the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. After that, your issue will be fixed if it's just a network issue. If it's still not fixed, you have two different ways to fix that. Very first, you have to open your settings, go for general, go for transfer reset iPhone, select erase all content and settings, and then continue to step. It will erase everything from your iPhone. So very first, you have to get backup of every data, and then you can continue to this step. Or the second one is you have to contact with Apple Support to get official help. Now to do that, you have to open your Apple Support app. You can easily install it from your App Store or you can use Apple Support web. And here just select your iPhone, then select this more option, and here just look for cellular services. Or you can also look for eSIM or SIM option. Select that and then select this get more help option, then select call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.